Hi everyone, I'm Queenie from SyZyGy. I'm the co-founder and CEO of the team. SyZyGy is a company specializing in virtual experience and IP content production. Around mid of 2019, we have entered the Cyberport incubation program. And after half a year, around December of 2019, we have decided to set up a Shenzhen company. And from that point onwards, we are a team having talents from both Hong Kong and Shenzhen side. In my past few months, I have realized cross-border office collaboration is never easy, and I do have a very strong pain point. Around the end of first quarter 2020, due to business opportunities and also the need to finish setting up my Shenzhen team, I have decided to come from Hong Kong to Shenzhen to take a super long business trip. And it is during that period of time I have realized the mailing service provider that I usually use just couldn't work properly in mainland. And I even encountered data loss issue around mid of 2020. And this is why I think it's the right time for me to trial a new service provider. After we have opted in for Alimail, we have realized Alibaba Cloud indeed has a complete enterprise ecosystem with various office collaboration and productivity enhancement tools. And among these tools, we realized one very interesting product that is DingTalk. DingTalk has a hardware that is an attendance check-in machine, and by using this machine, we can also use an app to export those attendance records. And later, we try out more features of DingTalk and realized it is indeed a super app. DingTalk is a free but highly useful tool. It is an all-in-one mobile workplace. By using DingTalk, we have features like IM and conference call. I really like one feature that is the approval management and also annual leave management. By using these features, we can save our time using Excel and we can just go paperless for administrative tasks. And for daily project management and collaboration, when things cannot be explained well enough by typing, we also need to use conference call. The good thing is we can just do conference call using DingTalk. There are also some features in DingTalk that can speed up our daily document collaboration. Not only large files can be transferred on the app without compressing, we can also edit our documents online instantly. This way, our productivity can much be enhanced. We are currently an early-stage startup, but we think it's very important to have a standardized workflow management in order to prepare for a future business growth. By using Teambition, we have a lot of different templates to select from, and we can always learn from the industry best practices. As a co-founder, sometimes I'm just too busy to check out project updates right away, and by having Teambition, I can have a structured overview of the project and allows me to check the project updates when I have time. Alimail has a transparent pricing scheme. It can provide us a quality enterprise mailing system that can be used in both mainland China and Hong Kong at relatively low cost. Alibaba Cloud provides us with quality service at competitive pricing. Just taking Alimail as an example, just on one enterprise mailing system, we have saved around 30% of the cost. In the past, we have used solutions and tools from all sorts of different providers. Now, just by using Alibaba Cloud, all these tools can be managed on one single cloud platform. Other than benefits on internal team management, it is also good to have a reliable cloud solution provider that can support our business growth. As a startup, we are happy to grow together with Alibaba Cloud enterprise ecosystem.